Oh God, Mel. And I miss you too. Oh. Give Maya a hug. Turn around. Give Maya a hug. Ty, she waiting. Don't, that's okay. That's okay. Give her a hug. Let's go see her again. That's okay. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new cloudy day here today. It's not that sunny. The sun is fighting with the clouds right now. I really don't know who's winning, but something is going on. Anyway, you guys, today is the last day here for Moy and her babies. Bittersweet, but it was amazing. It was good while it lasts. And of course, Moy, you know, you're welcome back anytime, girl. I know you'll be watching this. Anyway, so they will be leaving shortly. The kids already had lunch and they're about to leave in probably like an hour. So that's what's going on today, which means that leaves room for me to start packing. So I have today into tomorrow to finalize packing and Friday morning to shuffle things around before we leave Friday evening. So I am well on my way with things. The hardest part, which was my hair, is already done and we are almost vacation ready. Okay, we're almost vacation ready. Baby's off to work. Baby is making sure that he doesn't stay home and work this week because he wants to make sure he gets as much done in the office before he leaves on vacation on the weekend. So he'll be working from home on Friday. That way we can get a good head start into leaving and stuff like that. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Ty, go say hello to faves.
My youth.
You have a lot of hair on your head, my youth.
Midea panigaza.
Yes, Midea panigaza.
Ana paniyad.
Midea paniyad. No, not Midea paniyad. Midea amiyad.
Midea amiyad.
Right. Who is gonna get a haircut?
Papa.
And you.
No.
Who is going on vacation? Excited?
Yes.
How many days remain? Guess who is leaving you right now?
Auntie Moy.
You're gonna miss them?
Yes.
Yes. Don't be sad. You'll see them soon, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Anyway,
you guys, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Monsieur, ça vous...
Look, Wally, pretty face. You're pretty so lad. You just pretty up my camera as well. Angles. Gold. People don't like male ear. Then they don't must like you're a professional here, just let me go.
Et maintenant, et pour aller...
Y'all talented as don't learn talent. Do not ask for her for me to play. Tell her to open our bird shop of friends and make some money. I'm gonna take your advice. Thank you very much. I'm gonna take your advice. Yeah, good. She can one head, even one head per weekend. I'm one head I feel because you have. When you know, Maya, how long you to plan this year? You know, you have food? Yeah. I think you want her to do something.
Pour en abonner avec comme ça, monsieur. Je suis très bien.
Yeah, but I'm leaving today. Hopefully come back.
C'est bon, j'ai acheté mon nouveau sac.
She a go ball, you know what? So she a go ball and pull a suitcase go down the road. You know what? You don't think me can cry yet? You don't already know that I'm a crier. See? Bad, baby. Beats. Oh, God. She baits. And I just start talking to them and I start getting teary up.
Try to bother with
Everybody, man. Come in now, go back. Come in, see you.
Alors, monsieur.
Come in, just see you, man.
Monsieur Pony.
Oh, God, Mel. And I miss you too.
Non, je regarde.
You're always welcome.
But thank you very much for inviting me to your home. With your family.
Est-ce que vous
The pot of curry. Mel, Aki and sandwich. Nobody can tell me that Mel I'm going to Aki treat something about here because it's bad. I'm not too Aki now.
Boy, my say every evening we sit on the dinner table. She definitely is in Jamaica. Kids, go around the room, man. Oh.
Every evening.
Mine says she in Jamaica, straight up.
What time?
She can't come on my house and I don't get the Jamaican experience that everybody else did.
But not only that, I didn't want that Jamaican feeling because we wanted to go to Jamaica this year. We never work out. Thank you Jesus to make it possible to become here. So I have that
You
experience.
live 2 hours away from me. I know you're not legal with them, but you're welcome anytime.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anytime. Even if we have to sleep on the floor.
May I come back with you? I'm coming back. This
Well,
service on again.
Look at me, I have to go find she go braid my hair each time. Because I braid out. I could have never done my hair this neat on my own. Nope. You guys know that I struggle to braid my hair and I'll do an okay job. And I don't use the elastic band method. I real braid me, I tell you. I'm gonna feel annoyed, I'm gonna feel dirty.
People, this country teach me to braid. This country teach me to braid.
Anyway, I got stuff for her face. Hello, try don't drop no curry on this white top. You try to put on dribbler.
No, mama.
What the sleeve is that?
Sleeve. Mel Pitt them are the sweetest. Mel family overall is the sweetest. Our husband, you know, make you laugh so till.
Babe, you guys know with joke last night.
Me laugh until the belly at me.
You guys know how me and baby behave, but you want to see him last night in an element. I couldn't stop laughing.
This man really knows how to make people laugh.
And if he's comfortable around you, make it even worse. And it's obvious that he's comfortable around me.
Don't say when you stand up and eat it, you
go sit down, you gotta drop the curry on your white shirt. You're trying to.
I go listen.
Go tell Maya and Gemma bye bye. Go on. And Tata. It's goodbye time.
Goodbye.
Au revoir. Tyler getting sad, his friends leaving. That's okay, we'll see them again soon, right? That's okay, go watch TV, you'll see them again soon. Go on. He's getting sad. To leave. No balling.
No, I'm not crying. But thank you very much.
You're welcome, my love.
I can't stop saying. Thank you.
You're welcome, Maya. Hug. And enjoy the rest of your trip.
Wait.
Have fun. Look how cute are they. Oh my god. Y'all really on vacation, aren't you? Alright. Let's lead you out the door.
Hi. Bisous. I'll see you soon, big boy. Oh. Bye. Ty.
You'll see Tata soon.
Oh my God,
Ty, that's okay.
don't cry, Ty. You will soon see me again, okay? And we're gonna do lots of video calls till we see with oh.
That's okay, Ty. That's okay. That's okay. You'll see them soon. Okay?
You're tight, Ty? I will make them call him on video call tonight. Because Ty will not start crying now.
Look, give them my hug.
Maya, I live in. I can
Give Maya a hug. Turn around. Give Maya a hug. Ty, she waiting. Don't. That's okay. That's okay. Give her a hug. Let's we'll see her again. Give her. That's okay. Poor Ty. That's okay. The kids' favorite snack. They love a popcorn. Easy way. Pop it in the microwave 2 minutes. And it's hot and yummy. Look at him waiting.
Can I eat some?
I'm going to. Whoa! You burned me. Ow. Hot. I'm gonna put yours in your bowl. Okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Ah oui, dis comme ça. Laissez partir since a long time.
You guys, look on Sarah's face. Sarah, popcorn. 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 Sarah. Sarah, look. She played Lego. Not paid me any mind today. So I'm just gonna stock it right here. The joy of having a sticky bowl. And she'll have it whenever she wants. Hi, princess. You don't have Maya to play with. Maya is gone. She building Lego. She's into these big Legos now. She loves building these, challenging herself. Wow. Yeah, good job. Wow. Look at your building. You're a little builder. She deconstructed. Wow. Oh, you guys realize what's going on, right? She's putting all the same colors first. Look, you see she's being intentional about the oranges. Look at her little muscles shaking. Wow, good job. No, Tyler, let her find them herself. Allow her to find things, to do things on her own first, and then you help her if you see her struggling, okay? Mama, you didn't finish the orange. Look how she gonna go back to it when she realizes she's gonna take them off. Wow. What color is that?
Look, you didn't finish the orange. Blue.
Orange and blue. Good job.
You didn't finish.
That's okay, Ty. Put it down. She'll realize it. Let's see what she's gonna do with the orange. Maybe she see if she put them from the bottom. Look, she's gonna take off the blue. I told you she would do that. Good job, Sarah. Wow. Orange. She's stocking up the oranges. Good job. Wow. That's pretty. Yay. Bravo. What color is that? What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Wow.
Doucement, ton frère. Doucement.
You guys, this is dinner for me tonight. Warm up leftovers, curry goat and broccoli.
Yummy.
And babe is having a little bit of everything. Rice, broccoli, cordon bleu and curry sauce. Look who is home.
Yummy.
You're just ready for the food, don't it?
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, guys. It's almost 8 p.m. I'm back from work. I'm tired, exhausted, had a long day. But well, everybody have a long day. Everybody tired. It's just have to continue. This is called life, and I'm blessed and I'm happy. And it's not everybody that have a long day and come back home and have dinner. So I'm blessed, and now I'm gonna eat that dinner because I'm very hungry. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, guys, I'm having late dinner tonight, so I'm gonna eat. Packing is in full swing of things.
Started.
Why are you shouting on the face? Bad. I wanted to cut their hair today, but babe said the closer to vacation is better, so
I don't
tomorrow.
plan to carry the shaver with me, so I'm gonna have to cut it
Me go bald them head.
lower than usually. So then I can. It's gonna be okay for. Because I think I have that like 3 weeks. I think it's 3 weeks.
Okay, but you look alright for 3 weeks.
Yeah, so if I make it a little bit shorter,
Then it'll be just fine in
for 4
time.
weeks it will be good.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing is sometimes poof is here. So I will be fine. I will be fine. If I need to go to the barber, I go to the barber. Yeah, I have my sexy barber at home and I will be unfaithful to you. You will be jealous?
No.
Can you believe if I go to a barber, a nice pretty girl and cut my hair?
So,
You won't be jealous?
why would I be jealous? At the end of the day, where are you going after she cut your hair? To her house or mine?
Yeah. Oh, maybe she give me her
why would I be
address.
jealous? So you know, go on her yard, you know, galang was that view. Not me, not Sarah, not Tyler.
Nobody.
Exactly.
Me.
Anyway, you guys,
Me.
the house is different. Mo's gone. They're gone.
It's a mixed feeling, you know. Sometimes you have visitor, you're nice, but also the first day when people are gone, you also feel like
Yeah, like you get back your space.
you get back your space.
But
So,
still miss them though.
Yeah, that's what
And
I'm mix.
I'm sure Moi can't wait to reach home to be back in her space.
Yeah, the same things. You know, when you're in vacation, there's nothing
Like
nowhere
home.
like home.
No, no matter where you go, home.
Home, you feel the best, the
yeah.
more comfortable. Your bed is the best
Oh
bed.
yeah, no matter how raggedy your bed
The
is.
toilet is the best
It's the
toilet.
So true, so true. Anyway, you guys, packing is in full swing. I'm getting all the babe fandangles already, so that's good. Now it's my turn, but first, let me get some sleep, shall we? No,
I think you deserve it.
I deserve. Oh, I do.
I think so.
All right, I'm gonna take it and run before I'm changing mind. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment
2
down
thumbs
below.
up.
You hear that?
2 times.
Subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and go over to my channel and subscribe. The link is down below in the comment section, it's in the description box. And if you don't want to do that, search for Moi and Matt French Jamaican family and go show Moi all the love that you show me. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you
Tomorrow.
You look super tired today.
I'm
You look
tired.
like you're struggling to stay awake.
Wake up since 6 something.
Anyway, you guys, we're heading to bed.